So I wanted to hop on here real quick and thank all of you early subscribers, very loyal subscribers, for supporting me so far while my YouTube channel is still growing. And I know that subscriber count is just a number, but I would love to grow the subscriber count so that I can grow the channel and make more immersive content, longer videos, better props and all that. Maybe I can eventually start doing giveaways and inviting some of you out to be an extra in some of my videos, an ASMR model, whatever you'd like to see. And don't hesitate to keep requesting custom content. It helps me out and it means so much to me. Every single comment, request, everything means the world. And hopefully with you guys being so loyal and early subscribers, we can grow this channel together. So I'll definitely consider each and every one of you in this, and don't hesitate to keep that engagement rate up. Comment down below on any ideas you think we could incorporate to grow this channel and everything else. So yeah, just comment, like. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for allowing this to even get to where it is now. And so make sure you comment, you can email me, letting me know what you would like to let me know what I can do next as a YouTuber to support you guys. So I would love to do that and maybe start doing some like giveaways and all that, but it's gonna take your guys' help to grow this channel, and I'm so excited to do everything you want to see for you. So yeah, just make sure to comment and let's get that engagement up and keep being awesome, and hopefully I'll talk to you later.